Okay, sasekuyi Madlanga Commission. Namhlanje uphathi lo engikwenzayo. Kodwa namhlanje ngifuna sibheke ngqo kwi-head of state upresident. Upresident uyanukeka la. Angazi noma sekuvelile yini kodwa uyanukeka la. Kulezi zinto ezoyichaza manje. Ngizokunikeza ubuhle bese ngikunikeza ububi. Into enhle la yeyodwa, into enhle la yokuqala ukuthi uma ngabe iPKTT iba nezinkinga ngo-2018 kuvela ukuthi kuneyingqinamba ekhona kunokuhudula inyawo kwi-prosecution, then mase yena abumbe i-IMC ehlanganisa uminister wamaphoyisa, I think at the time umnumzana uNathi Mthetho, Minister of State Security, Minister of Defense, Minister of Justice, Minister of Correctional Services, no Minister of Correctional Development. Leso sinyathelo ke esafonywa kuba i-IMC lapho sasodila nama security matters kakhulukazi ama political killings eKZN. So khona lapho kwaba khona ama arrest ke manje ukubambisene kakhulu amaphoyisa, iNPA, iJustice neCorrectional Services. Then kwaba khona ama cases of which umkhwanazi wasinikeza ama numbers. 612 cases amadocument abebedila ngawo beze ama-arrest of 436. So i-working ratio yabo at least igijima ku-70 to 75%, which is applaudable in my opinion. And baqoqa iy'bhamu eziwu-156, eziwu-55 zalezo y'bhamu zayilinkwa namacala okubulawa kosopolitiki. So istansi lesi sikaRamaphosa asenza ngo-2018 esaba sihle ukufoma i-IMC ukulekelela iPKTT. So khona lapho kunamaphoyisa awu-35 aboshwa, elilodwa lawo lilinkwa ne-member of parliament ekusocongeni uSiniso Magaqa. Very important point there umkhwanazi alenza, because ngibuka i-statement sakamkhwanazi, ngibuka okuhle-ke kuleli khunjana kule tenure yaRamaphosa. Khona kule indaba ye-PKTT ine-presidential order ukusho ukuthi yena uMatamela ubanikeza order to investigate ukubulawa kosopolitiki, ukubulawa kwamakhosi kwaZulu Natal, nokubulawa kwabantu lapha e-University of Fort Hare Eastern Cape ngo-2018. So that ngiyamkhomenda uRamaphosa, but kunento kufanele uyiqaphele lapho sesiya ebubini-ke bayo yonke lento iqonde ngqo noRamaphosa. Njengoba ibekile le IMC ikhona ne-PKTT, kukhona nabo commissioner. Let's speak about national commissioner in this case, no minister wamaphoyisa. Zonke le zinhlaka lezi zireporta ku-president. Ucwaningo nama cases that has been put to rest, wonke reporting kuMatamela. Isho nophenyo oluncane kangakanani mengabe kukhona ama-developments enziwayo, kufanele yonke lonto iye ku-president, because this is a presidential order. Okusho ukuthi i-move ne-move eyenziwa i-PKTT uMatamela uyazi kwenzakalani, wazi kahle. Okusho ukuthi yonke uma ngabe kuba nengqinamba eGoli, then bese becela usizo eKZN, ebese umkhwanazi dispatch ama-members e-PKTT to eGauteng. uMatamela knew about that. Uma ngabe bethola amanyundululu eGoli, uMatamela knew about that, because yonke investigation eyenziwa eSouth Africa kufanele ukuthi iye kuyena njengane-leader of iSouth Africa, njenganomkhuzi wempi yaseSouth Africa, ukuze azi ukuthi ama-threats alaphi, because i-safety ye-country yonke incike kuyena. Yabona? Uma ngabe sekutholakala amanyundululu-ke lawa atholakala eGoli, and then uminister decide ukuthi uyayivala indaba ye-task team. uMatamela also knew about that, because yonke into ethinta ilokhunjana, i-safety ye-country, into ethinta i-investigation, into ethinta amaphoyisa, into ethinta ezempi, into ethinta security has to be reported ku-president, noma kuthiwa i-detail encane kangakanani. Remember, this is a presidential order. So uma ke esazi ukuthi umchunu ufuna ukuyivala lokho i-task team, uMatamela akasho ngolutho. Uyithulele. And kuyavela la kwi-report ukuthi uNational Commissioner wambikela ukuthi uSibanibani ukushusha ukuthi akuvalwe i-task team eKZN despite wonke umsebenzi esiwenzile o evident obonakalayo, but still ushusha ukuthi ayivalwe i-task team wena bewazi ngalokho. Ngicabanga ukuthi kwakuyindlela enhle yokumhlonipha ukumbuza ukuthi wena bewazi ngalokho, because he knew ukuthi uyazi. He just wanted to confirm ukuthi are you confer with umchunu ukuthi i-task team ivalwe. And if he had said hayi umchunu ulungile akayivali i-task team, then he would have had to answer why. But wenzani uMatamela uthi hayi ngisazoyibheka leyo ndaba, ngisazoyifakela ibuku. Uyifakela ibuku kanjani leyo ndaba ngoba already uyazi. Before nje uNational Commissioner alibike lolu daba kuyena, uMatamela wayesazi ukuthi kunento eyenzakalayo enjalo. And I think wayazi futhi silapha isizathu sokuthi i-task team ivalwe. Abantu abebengazi ukuthi why i-task team ivalwe, abantu ababeku-task team, hence babedidekile ukuthi why i-task team ivalwe, because it has been a success so far. It was given a presidential order and it was a success from that. Why all of a sudden isivalwa, and why upresident athi usazobuza umchunu ngalokho as if he did not know? That is my pointing edayo lapha, hayi ukuthi nayo ikhona leya report. Mina as if upresident did not know ukuthi kwenzakalani, why athi usazophenya, because he knew ukuthi umchunu uyayivala lento and because umchunu cannot act athathe lelo xathu elingako without informing the president ukuthi ngiyayivala ilokhunjani i-task team, because i-task team had a presidential order. He cannot just jump and say I violated the bed. President has to know iyavalwa, why ivalwa. Maye sebuza ukuthi uyazi ukuthi iyavalwa, uthi ngisazokhuluma nomchunu. Akasho ukuthi ayivalwe, akasho uqhubeka nenisebenza umchunu uyabheda, as if ubengazi, but because he knew, he said ngisazokhuluma nomchunu. Iqhubeka i-task team. Leke ngeke isihambi yolekelela egoli edispatch omkhwanazi lefika ibuya namanyundululu ngokuboshwa kwabantu abathile noma sekuvela ifoni ngokuboshwa abantu abathile ababoshwa ngenxa ama result abantu abadispatchelwa egoli beyolekelela nakhona ngoba i-team yasegoli ayiba nengqinamba yamaphoyisa. By the way, amaphoyisa kufanele soshayela ihlombe bafethu. Akufanele njalo amaphoyisa uma ukuthi awenzi kahle siwagxeke, kodwa uma benza umsebenzi omuhle afanele ungcono. It in this cell phone now ke le etholakalayo ke ekuyiyona esilokhunja esivele ivule ikani lemsundu worms imsundu ngiyacabanga evezayo ukuthi into ezivala i-task team ngoba isithinta obani aba connected nobani. Let's why kuvela abantu abafana nabo Brown Mokhosi. Ubuza ukuthi kahle uBrown Mokhosi yena lo ubani, kuthiwa businessman doing what exactly? Because some of the questions esingawabuza eSouth Africa umuntu vele kuthiwa nje he is a business person or a businessman, and then we do not ask a follow-up question with a businessman doing what. So nabanye, but igama ebelikhale livela lihamba phambili elakhe lo muntu. Umbuzo ukuthi upresident ngoba wayeyazi lento ukuthi umchunu ufuna ukuvala i-task team uyivalelana, why engathatha ngesinqumo there and then versus umchunu. Number 2, had umkhwanazi engayenzanga i-report eyintathelini leya report ayenza, uRamaphosa bezothatha nesinqumo sokuthi amise umchunu. Number 3, why i-task team beyingasanikeza ithuba eParliament lokuthi izopresenta ukuthi sesisebenze safika la, this is what we have, because kulelo khunjani ku-minister omusha wamaphoyisa engazi ukuthi lokho bengasenzeki eParliament. And uRamaphosa knew about all that. Why uRamaphosa enikeza i-presidential order but does not assist i-task team to the end and I protect the foot? 2020 ngathi mina uRamaphosa is crafty ngenxa yokuthi wenza abazalwane babhayiza bayitshela ukuthi kugcwalise kumbhalo ku-Isaiah 3 verses 20 ngenxa yokuthi enovalizwe ngo-2020 ngoMashi mhla ka-20. And lapho ngathi this guy is crafty because in my spirit I was like, this guy is not fit to be a president uma ngabe ekwazi ukudeceive abantu in this manner. I was very surprised ukuthi ANC yaphinda amnikeza ihlanda lesibili. But uRamaphosa, he is involved kuyona yonke lento. That is why engekho decisive. Ngibambe lapho sobonana ngomsombuluko ngekhaya namhlanje. Nibe no weekend enhle.